Hello. I started by poking around with Luke's rabbit hole of undo stuff and ended up in the IDE, which is probably where I'm going to be most of the time anyway. Let me see. I think this is the screen I want to share. Yeah, so this current tab that I have open is main. If you're in the IDE and you like delete something and then go over to a different file and then come back, you can't undo, and that's just lost. You could like discard your changes and start over, but that's a pain. So I'm playing around with storing the code mirror state in a little cache so that any files that you have open keep their state. So here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to delete that thing, go to a different file, come back. My cursor position is actually still there. I can undo. I can do things like folding things, and they stay folded. I can like keep my scroll position, so I'm at like line 18 at the top, and I'm still at line 18. So that's it. Yeah. Oh, and this is like probably going to take some more QA testing just because it'd be really bad if this broke the IDE for everyone.